back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. This video is gonna be really hold the fuck. This video is gonna be real quick. Oh, y'all, guess what? If you can tell by the title, your girl got a new phone. Okay, so let me give y'all the backstory. I keep having to get like what the fuck? Let me give y'all the backstory. So I got this phone right here, 12 Pro Max in 2021, guys. Yesterday, unfortunately, I dropped it in the toilet. And y'all probably like, how did you do that, girl? I was on the phone, had my earphone in, I went to Crit Trip, you know, I pop a squat. I don't never sit on public toilets, you know what I'm saying? If you do, you're a dirty bitch. I'm sorry, but yeah, you is. But yeah, so yeah, I had my phone in my back pocket. I was on the phone having a little back and forth conversation because they were getting on my nerves a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't thinking. I had on my tight jeans, you know what I'm saying, looking real thick, and I forgot my phone was in my back pocket. Okay, so it was working okay yesterday. Now today it's all types of fucked up. And I barely can swipe up on the screen, barely can unlock the phone. Every time it's doing what it want to do. Like, I'm not even tapping nothing and the screen is literally moving. So this video, we're gonna kind of be like comparing the phones a little bit, as much as I can, because this phone is kind of out of commission, baby. It's done for. I still have to keep it because I have all of my 20,000+ photos and videos on here. Like, and they tell me something, do you want to transfer? No, I honestly was gonna get another phone anyway, but this gave me the extra push that I needed. It ain't nothing but God. You know what I'm saying? I thank God I was able to get another phone that quick. I placed the order like literally like, and then I went to pick it up and literally that was that. It was like less than 30 minutes, not even. You know what I'm saying? Because I was just like, girl, stop complaining. It was free. I just had to pay the taxes and stuff like that. Y'all know the legist or whatever. I was due for an upgrade anyway. So it was cool or whatever. So, guys, y'all know my favorite color is blue. If you didn't know, then you don't really know me, do you? How we... And you don't know my favorite color. Well, now you know. It's blue. Okay, so I got another blue phone because I got a blue watch, blue iPad. Like, what was it? Blue case, like blue. Yeah, I might do a blue series, guys, but that's for another day. So this phone right here, 12 Pro Max or whatever. So I compared the phones. I've been watching videos before I even got the phone. Like before the phone even dropped for real, when they started doing pre-orders, I started looking into the phone on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, comparing the sizes, seeing what I wanted to get. I did not want to get the Pro Maxes because the titanium and all that extra stuff. I wanted the blue. Okay, so I got the 15 plus. It is like same size type, you know what I'm saying? So I compared them and all this. It's basically the same size. So it is a lighter blue, which I love because this was like a dark navy blue. It's looking grayish, you know what I'm saying? And this phone is nothing wrong with it, y'all. No cracks, no nothing. I just dropped it in the toilet, so now it has water damage. So it's no good. I might as well. I didn't even bother trading it in, you know what I'm saying, because I was gonna keep it anyway. So this is my new 15 plus. Get into her. Of course, y'all, I already had to open the, you know, the box, you know what I'm saying. They tried to get me to do it at home. I was like, girl, I don't want to have to come back down here and beat your wife if my phone don't be transferred, because I was trying to transfer my same number, if y'all get what I'm saying. So I went to T-Mobile Hall and I got me, like, you know, she's teased. I love the box. It's so sleek. I do not like the fact that it did not come with a box, and I'm not buying a box. All these chargers I got around here will be all right. I'm quite fine, you know. So I already had the C cord, and they changed it to the C cord, which I don't like because I just bought some chargers for this phone. You know what I'm saying? It's just whatever. So it has a C cord. So this is how it looks first glance when you open the box or whatever. The box is really thin. So I'm gonna take it out really quickly. Oops. Everything just falling all out. So it comes with this little, you know, it comes with all that. It does come with a C cord. It's not that long, which I don't like. I'm gonna have to get me an extender off of Amazon. Okay, Amazon is that girl, if y'all didn't know. So it came with this, no box, no block. That's ridiculous. I'm not paying no $30. You watch your rabbit ass mine, ain't you? Okay, cool. So yeah, it's like a real soft, dusty blue. Like, y'all see, y'all? I'm trying to get out of the cam so y'all can focus. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is how it looks or whatever. It's giving soft grayish, but it's like, you know what I'm saying, I ain't want to get the pink one because I'm not a pink type of bee. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to stop cursing on here, but it's gonna be hard. So I'm just gonna take the paper off. Like, the paper went already off. I just did it for y'all. So this is the phone. I already set it up and everything, guys. Like, I am in love. Y'all see the new features and all of that good stuff. Like, it's completely different from my last phone. Let me show y'all just first glance. Y'all see the tops. y'all see the difference. Y'all see her. Y'all see her. But the size difference is not even, look, the size, guys, hold on, guys, the size is the same. So yeah, I did not get the Pro Max. I just got it. Got 2 cameras, guys, if y'all can see. I mean, 2 lenses on the back, 3 on this one. So yeah, this is my old phone, this is my new phone that I just got. It is perfect, literally, okay, literally. I love it. I love it. So am I gonna open it? I can't open it. So I done set up everything, guys, so I do not have to set it up with you guys. But yeah, so this is how it looks. It is real tease. It's real tease. Real tease. I'm trying to get the focus for you guys. I downloaded a couple apps already, but it's just awesome. Like, I love the upgrade at the top, and y'all know it got a little C port now. It's real sleek, real, you know what I'm saying? It's thinner as well. Thinner, more sleeker. The edges are rounder, I would say. Hold on. The edges are rounder, but y'all see the difference? So y'all see the difference, period. Period, y'all. Nah, I'm so happy I got another phone, y'all. Like, I want to cry, boo. Real tears. Like, I was literally finna break down crying because I was like, bruh, what if I'm not able to get another phone? Like, be so fucking for real. But yeah, y'all, so that is it. I'm just showing y'all my phone, period. I'm not gonna show y'all what's on the phone because it's nothing. Well, I could show y'all what's on the phone. Ain't nothing really on her. All the standard apps are on the phone already, y'all know what I'm saying? So I just downloaded my standards social media, TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Twitter. What else on there? Snapchat. I don't really be on her like that. TikTok, Threads, I think I said that already, YouTube, and all that good stuff. So I have Telegram, Xfinity, YouTube Studio, and all that good stuff so far. I do not have a lock screen yet. I gotta set that up. I gotta get me a case, which is gonna be blue. Y'all know everything blue. Big B's. No, Big B's is, disregard that. Okay, cool. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Literally, I just wanted to show y'all my phone. It's unboxing. I unboxed it with y'all. I wanted to wait till I got home, but I wanted to make sure like my number was transferred and stuff. Like, I'm tech savvy real bad, but like, I just did not want to drive another 20 minutes back up to that store to stomp a hoe out. Okay, cool. So yeah, so this is new phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? Then the camera. I know the camera quality. Let's see the camera quality, y'all. Let's see the camera quality. Y'all see the camera quality? It's giving real tease. Y'all see the camera quality? But do y'all see my camera quality that's recording? Both my camera qualities is A1 at this point. I can record on my phone and I can record on my camera at this point because it's giving camera quality. Oh yeah, this is the 128 gigabytes because I bought storage for this phone. Oh, I'm finna cancel that. Ooh, that Apple ain't finna be ripping me the, oh, they ain't finna be charging $59.99, $9.99, $4.99, $9.99, all types of times of the month. I'm finna cancel her because I was paying for extra storage on that phone because that phone was 64 gigabytes. Now, because I was paying for 128 gigabytes on that phone. So now that I got one, yeah. You see me? You see me? Yeah. So yeah, I'm very, 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 very excited, y'all. I know this video was all over the place. I know I be animated. I be excited to tell y'all some things. I be excited to show y'all some things. I don't even get cute no more. You know what I'm saying? I get cute for the next video, but I ain't even get cute for this video because I was so excited to show y'all my phone. I just literally got home. I picked up my camera. I was like, I gotta show them. I gotta show my girls. But yeah, y'all, if y'all was thinking about getting this phone, go ahead and get her. She is real tease, real sleek. I love the sleekness. Like, it's so, like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so yes, the feel, the ashiness. I like the ashiness of it. Like, you could barely see the Apple logo a little bit, but I like it. I like it. I love it, actually. So yeah, period. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon, guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys for all the positive comments and stuff like that. I'm going to stay on track. I'm trying to stay motivated for you guys. Honestly, some days I don't even be wanting to pick up my camera. I'm just telling y'all the truth. Some days I don't be wanting to pick up my camera. But yeah, we're on our second day and a half of our fast. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.